Hello everyone, this is Jamyang, and right now I'm at a beautiful nomad land, and I have a friend. She was also a really beautiful girl, and today she was going to teach us how yak burgers, cheese and a yak yogurt are made. And now she was going to show us the process of yak burgers, cheese and yogurts are made from the yak milk. So it is really interesting things to be seen. Let's go and see how they are going to do this thing. Hello! So she is a beautiful friend of mine, and she is going to teach us the process of yak butters, yak yogurts and a cheese are made. Oh yeah. Ada ngatari mata chura shod ke suran tilla ba.
Bas ke ma troi koi tane tur pro re.
एक मिनट
Küçük robust kız.
अरे अजन हाल्छ So I have to put my left hand side at the bottom and then have to hold the upper part from the right hand side, and we have to use really strong energy to shake all the milks. And I can really smell the cheese from that milk.
Da tur pro wa. Te chisa no pro re.
It is a deadline for me because she just told me that I have to shake it like 3 hours and then the butter will come out, which is impossible for me. Sudah sempat kau sama tu?
Pro ta. Chisa tu ba san pro bi wo.
Oh,
Sür.
Ya lên sen đó đấy. Siêu đấy. Around 35 liters of milk, and then from 35 liters of milk we can get about like 3 to 4 kilos of a butter. to be well preserved or to be well protected, she have to squeeze all the butter, and then the water from the butters comes out from the water, comes out from the butter. So that's why it will be preserved well until this winter. So that's why she have to keep squeezing the butter. The yak butter. And in Tibet, because of nomad people, every single Tibetan people can enjoy the butter. But in our daily life, for every single Tibetan people, we couldn't live without yak butter. Because from the tea, we also need butter to make the butter tea. When we eat food, like in tsamba, we also need butter. And when we go to celebrate some religion festival, even in the monastery, when they have a big ceremony, they need the butter. So butter is the thing that we couldn't live without it. From young to old, every different age need this thing. Every single Tibetan people, and would like to thank you to all the nomad people for a beautiful butter. This is the second part. You see, first we have to shake the milk, and then we get the bunch of butter from that milk. And then after getting the butter, the remaining of this milk, we still have to cook that for 4 to 5 hours. And then after 4 to 5 hours, we get the cheese from this remaining milk. Still can drink it after the butter was taken from the milk. And then we don't call it yak milk, but we call it tara. So this is tara. And I know that it's pretty sour, so let me try it, okay? Oh, okay. Turn that.
It's quite science. Cha so cha.
Slow.你是做鞋子只能小小的。 조직주의. Oh yeah, that just to his canon.
Lex dead. That don't matter. This deal or this.
얘들 소대로 예증도에서 소대 됐어.
저기도 다 했어요.
Så var det det? Ja, jag stämmer med mig. Jag tror att det är så, ja. Sabor då, eller?
Ja, tar det.
It is a little bit sour, but it is really delicious. Guys, can you imagine? This is really impossible. That yak is actually a treasure of Tibet, because from yak milk we can make such a beautiful butter, cheese and a yogurt. These are all really good food for Tibetan people. So if you want to have this kind of experience next time in Tibet, this is Jamyang. Welcome to Tibet, and come to get an authentic and beautiful experience with me.